Hey guys, what is up? So it's a rainy Saturday afternoon. A few days ago, we've received a package from World Balance over at Unbox Dream Hills. So, of course, it's a pair of sneakers. And if you've been following World Balance on their socials, you probably know what sneakers I am talking about. So this is the collaboration between DJ Big Boy Cheng, Secret Fresh with World Balance. The shoes is interestingly named the Penetrator.
The Penetrator.
Nice.
Oh my God! Wow! Kaya samahan niyo ako sa unboxing na ito. But before that, of course, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Follow me on all my socials. Everything should be listed down below. And to further help this channel out, please like, comment, and share. Itong World Balance X Secret Fresh, the Penetrator, will be dropping on March 15. Merong special launch dito sa Roanoke Art Center, sa Secret Fresh, of course. Not really sure if may activation talaga mangyayari, but if meron, of course, we'll be there. Now, let's head on to the unboxing. Okay, before we head on to the unboxing ng sapatos mismo, I'll just show you a couple of stuff na kasama ng package ni World Balance. First one is this parang acrylic case or acrylic box na pang sapatos. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman, it's an acrylic box. Hindi ko na i-assemble to. Demo na yan. And then, may sinama rin si World Balance dito na cap. This is a black cap. Parang pang sports siya. Retail price of the cap is $549. It's a training cap. So, tama, sports cap na siya. And then, meron ding shirt. Yung shirt naman is Secret Fresh. So, syempre, it's a collaboration nga. This is World Balance. This one is Secret Fresh. So, hindi ko pa i-open. Pero syempre, I'll rock this one. It's a purple Secret Fresh shirt na baka yung basic lang na branded Secret Fresh. And then, here is the pair. So, meron tayo ditong guide from World Balance. Kalagay dito, hey there, if you're willing to create content about the World Balance X Secret Fresh collaboration shoes, kindly post about it on March 10 to 11. The official launch will be on March 15. Ayun, so, kumbaga may sort of embargo. I'm filming this March 8. So, kanina, di ba, nung nasa biyahe kami, dito kami sa Unbox Green Hills ngayon. So, let's unbox this. Nakita nyo naman na to kasi in-unbox ko ni Boss Big Boy Cheng sa Facebook niya at sa Instagram niya. Nakita nyo rin yung actual on-fit shots, di ba? May video din si Boss Big. So, may BTS pa nga si Nico Yabot nun eh. So, ito yung nasa taas niya, yung cover niya, The Penetrator. Guys, itong pagkakasulat na to, kung tama ang pagkaalala ko, ito mismo yung penmanship ni Boss Big Boy Cheng. Ayan, The Penetrator. Ganyan siya magsulat pag nagpapa-autograph ka ng mga before, yung mga sapatos niya. So, yeah, The Penetrator. And then, ito yung, makikita nyo na yung, yung image ng sapatos dito. Like any other World Balance pairs. So, ito na siya. Size 11 or 44 euro World Balance. Let's buksan na natin, of course. Nakita nyo na to, parang catalog or ito yung parang magazine containing photos of past releases as well as this specific release. So, eto, meron siyang tatlong colorway. Itong suot ni Boss Biggs dito, ayan yung parang black and white and gray. Merong white and gray or parang dominantly white. Pakita natin. Actually, andito yung isang pair. I'll post photos of that. Pero pair kasi ni Boss Carlo Ople yun. Pero ito siya. Ayan. Ayan. And then, hindi ko alam yung exclusivity ng mga colors. Pero ito yung isa. Ayan, yan. Yung parang may red, blue, and then white, and gray. And then, of course, nandiyan yung mga iba pang mga releases, mga past releases. Tapos meron dito, naka-tease na MSE exclusive drop. Of course, hindi ko papakita muna sa inyo to. Hayaan kung i-reveal na ba ni World Balance, ni Secret Fresh, or ni Boss Biggs to, sila na lang mag-reveal nito. Yan sa likod, the famous 69, favorite number ni Boss Big Boy Cheng. World Balance Secret Fresh. Of course, World Balance Secret Fresh branded yung paper. And ito yung sapatos. Yan. Basta natin pareho. So that's the left shoe and this is the right shoe. Yan. Appreciate muna natin yung sapatos. I'm sure most of you already saw this sa mga post ni Boss Big Boy Chen. Pero yeah, I have with me one of the colorways. This is the white, black, and gray. Tama ba? Indicate ba dito yung kulay? So it says SF white and black. So yun yung official colorway name nito ng penetrator na to. It comes with flat black cotton laces. Walang extra lace to. So most likely that's part of the distinction. Kasi yung ibang colorway, of course, may sarili silang laces. Like yung all white kanina na may touch of gray. And then the one with the retro red and blue colors. So ito yung sa akin. So elements of the shoe, of course, this looks like something that would have been released back in the siguro late 80s to early 90s. Yung kanyang design, no? So this looks like parang a homage or inspired by the Air Force One, the Adidas Forum, the New Balance 550 sa Reebok. One of my favorite pairs, yung Reebok BB 4000. But yeah, yan siya. Medyo makapal yung midsoles. Tapos yan, blackout soles lang siya, guys. Ayan. Yung mga World Balance branding dito. White midsole. Then yung upper niya is dominantly leather and white. Tapos meron tayong mudguard na gray. Tapos meron dito B69. And then, ito, may 69 din dito sa may heel area. Heel is, ano ba to? Yung pinaka-collar niya is leather. Embroidered 69. Etong Ice Perm logo na to is suede na black. Ayun, tapos meron ditong TPU lacelets na black din. Then yung tongue has this dual branding ng World Balance as Ice Perm. Nandito yung SF. Ayan. SF. Insoles, may branding din ni World Balance at Secret Fresh. Ayan. What else? Of course, retail price tayo. Retail price is 2,999. And then, we have the hang tags. Ayan, yung hang tags natin na, ayan, may limited edition. Tapos nakalagay dito, World Balance Secret Fresh. Sabi ni Boss Bigson sa post niya kanina, limited to 300 pairs. So, since meron tatlong colorway, hindi ko alam kung 100 per colorway ba siya na ilalabas on retail or it's 300 pieces per colorway. So that's total of 900 pairs all in all. But yeah, this is the Secret Fresh X World Balance, the Penetrator. This will officially be dropping on March 15 sa Ronak Art Center sa Secret Fresh. And let's see if this will also be available eventually sa mga World Balance stores and boutiques and online, of course. Yung naunang Ice Perm kasi, di ba, parang limited muna siya until nagkaroon ng demand. So nag-restock sila ng mas maraming quantity, especially ng mga GR colorways. Kasi may mga special edition colorways yun, di ba? Yung mga More Good Less Evil, yung Flamingo, yung Santa Claus. So tara, on fit muna tayo.